Hello and welcome to the first video. Okay, in this video we're gonna see why there is a need for cloud. Okay, AWS is a cloud service, and not just AWS. There is Google Cloud, there is Microsoft Azure. So there are multiple services. Now we are only saying what is the need for the cloud. Why we just need it. Okay, all right. Let me give you an example. If cloud is not even a thing, okay, before this, for example, Google or Facebook, how they started in a garage, right? And why did they started in a garage? Because for a business to run, you need a website first. Okay, for a website there are many requirements. For example, you need a space in which you can store servers. Okay, servers. Now servers need AC, they need a cold environment, so then you have to purchase ACs. And then you have to, for the servers itself, you have to, for example, if you are just this is a small business, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. Now you maybe need some more high-end CPU or even a basic CPU, right? You have to purchase that. And maybe tomorrow there are many customers, then you have to purchase another CPU, powerful one, to deal with this issue. All right, another one is you need 24 hours up and running services as well, right? Okay, and electricity is there, server is there. Before the site is even live, you need a hell lot of things. Okay, and you have to invest a lot of money just for that one website, right? And then if you are putting that live, you have to purchase the domain and all of that traditional stuff. So a lot of money just went and invested before even our business began, before we even make the site live for this issue. And also let me give you one more condition. After your site is live, if for example, if I invested for 1,000 customers only, I thought, okay, 1,000 customers are very, it's a large number for me for a small business. But what if only 10 people showed up, right? I spent all of that money and just 10 people showed up. And vice versa as well. If I invested for 1,000 customers only, and what if 2 lakh customers visited? Now what? Now my website will be very slow, that the impression will be very bad, then people won't come again. Then the business is down. So all these issues are there, okay, when we start a business. So for these, we need a cloud. We need a service to, that has 24/7 up and running guaranteed service. We need a pay-as-you-go model. So for the resources, only when I'm using it, I have to pay the price. If I'm not using it, I don't have to pay. Another one is you don't have to take care of the maintenance of the infrastructure. They will take care. You don't have to take care of any power off that, that can be there, right? You don't have to take care of that. They will take care of that. And you don't have to take care if 10 people are coming onto your website or 10,000, in AWS or in any cloud, it will automatically scale up to cater those 1,000 or lakh customers. So these are all the needs and some features that cloud provides. Okay, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.